What is up, everyone? I hope you guys had a good Christmas and a happy new year. I am back with another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in like 4 to 5 days. The weather here in Indiana has been trash. It's been overcast, rainy the past 2 weeks. Wind storms, flooding, it's been nuts. And it's getting colder, so not ideal to stand outside and film. But as far as the 98 goes, the build still continues on it. I actually have a daytime running light or a parking lamp issue, whichever one you want to call it. The parking lamp fuse keeps blowing, which causes my running lights to completely shut off. So all I have is headlights. I have no tail lights. I have no turn signals. I have nothing. So it's going to the mechanic shop tomorrow. Hopefully they can find what the cause is. I'm guessing it's grounding out somewhere. It's just finding out where. But when it's in the shop, we'll be working on my sister's 81 CJ7. We're going to be doing new shocks and new body mount bushings on it. And then eventually body work. As you can tell, those shocks have seen better days. So we're going to be putting those on there. But yeah, that should be a fun video. Hopefully Friday or Saturday we can get it done. But as far as the 79 goes, 79 still is over at Chad's. Lug nuts came in the Friday before Christmas. The motor needs a lot of small on-end stuff like a distributor and just some, I think a water line or some, I don't remember what he told me, but I have to get back over there and get a list so I can go buy some stuff. But I just want to give you guys an update. Sorry I haven't been uploading. Now you know why, because the weather is not ideal to be standing outside, making videos, and freezing my butt and hands off. So, sorry again, guys. Hopefully, like I said, we will have a video up of this weekend. So stay tuned for that. And remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Stay tuned. We have a giveaway coming up soon. More details on that later. Peace.